Hello guys, today in this video we are going to install Kali Linux on a virtual box. So let's open a browser and search download VBox. Open the VirtualBox website. Click Windows Hosts and the VirtualBox exe file will begin downloading on to your computer. Open a new tab. Search download Kali ISO. Go to kali.org. Click on Bare Metal. Download ISO file of Kali Linux for 64-bit or 32-bit as per your PC. Install the VirtualBox and open it. Click on New. Name your virtual machine, Kali. Select the type, Linux. Choose version, Debian 64-bit. Give the disk space of minimum 40 GB. Click on Create. Give a RAM of minimum 40 GB and click on Create. Go to Settings. Click on System and give a processor, 2-core. Go to Storage. Click on Empty Disk. Load your Kali Linux ISO file from your download location. Click on OK. Start your virtual machine. To start your installation, boot with your chosen installation medium. Graphical install. Select your preferred language. English. Specify your geographic location. India. Select your keyboard layout. The setup will now probe your network interfaces, looks for a DHCP service, and then prompt you to enter a hostname for your system. We will keep hostname as a Windows to keep ourselves anonymous. You may optionally provide a default domain name for the system to use or leave empty and continue. Now, create the user account for the system, full name, username, and a strong password. The installer will now probe you 4 options to pick from. We will select Guided, the entire disk. Select the disk to be partitioned. Select all files in one partition. Next, you'll have one last chance to review your disk configuration before the installer makes irreversible changes. After you click Continue, the installer will go to work and you'll have an almost finished installation. Next you can select which meta packages you would like to install. The default selections will install a standard Kali Linux system and you don't really have to change anything here. Confirm to install the Grub bootloader. Select the hard drive to install the Grub bootloader. And continue. Finally, click Continue to reboot into your Kali Linux installation.